The 12 secrets the rich don't want you to know. We live in a world designed by the rich, for the rich. Everything from the media you consume to the advice you're given is carefully curated to keep you trapped in the rat race while they soar higher. It's time to pull back the curtain and uncover the truths the wealthy don't want you to know. Brace yourself, because what you're about to learn may shatter every illusion you've been sold. The first secret is that hard work alone won't make you rich. Yes, they encourage you to hustle and grind, but they know the truth. The path to wealth lies in leverage, not labor. While you're breaking your back working overtime, they're using other people's time, money, and skills to build empires. Second, they want you to believe money is evil. The more you associate wealth with greed and corruption, the less likely you are to pursue it unapologetically. Meanwhile, they know that money is simply a tool, a powerful one that can amplify your impact if used wisely. Third, savings won't make you rich. They push the save and invest in a mutual fund narrative, but they don't follow it themselves. They invest in high-risk, high-reward opportunities, startups, real estate, stocks, and businesses that multiply their wealth exponentially. Fourth, the school system is a trap. They fund educational systems that teach you to be obedient employees, not critical thinkers or risk-takers. You're taught to work for money, while they learn to make money work for them. Fifth, tax laws are written for the wealthy. They know the loopholes, the incentives, and the strategies to legally avoid taxes, while you're stuck paying a significant chunk of your income. Wealthy people own assets, not salaries, and assets are taxed differently. Sixth, debt is a weapon, but only if you know how to wield it. They want you to fear debt, but the rich use it as a tool to acquire more wealth. They leverage other people's money, OPM, to buy assets that generate cash flow and pay off the debt themselves. Seventh, your consumerism funds their lifestyle. Every time you buy a new gadget, trendy clothes, or overpriced coffee, you're putting money directly into their pockets. Meanwhile, they're investing in assets that appreciate over time. Eighth, connections matter more than talent. They don't want you to know that access to the right people will open more doors than any degree or skill set. They build exclusive networks that perpetuate their wealth and keep outsiders at bay. Ninth, time is their most valuable asset. They don't waste it on distractions or meaningless tasks. They hire people to do what they can't or won't do, freeing up their time to focus on wealth-building strategies. 10th, the stock market is rigged in their favor. While you're hoping your portfolio grows steadily, they have insider information, access to high-frequency trading, and the capital to manipulate markets to their advantage. 11th, failure is their greatest teacher. They embrace setbacks as learning experiences and take calculated risks without fear. You've been taught to play it safe, but the rich know that big rewards require bold moves. Finally, they thrive on your ignorance. The less you know about money, investing, and business, the more they can exploit your labor, time, and consumer habits to enrich themselves. So what's the takeaway, men? Stop playing the game they've rigged against you. Educate yourself about money, learn to think like an investor, and prioritize ownership over consumption. Break free from the chains of mediocrity and start building your own empire. It's time to outsmart the system and claim the wealth and power they don't want you to have. Subscribe to Thrive Mastery Hub for more updates.